And friends, here we have 7 by 2 times cube root of x square y minus cube root of x y square equals x minus y. At the same time, cube root of x minus cube root of y equals 3. We have a lot of familiar things here, right? One is it is this term is in the form of a square b minus ab square and x minus y. So we have cube root of x. That means what? What is this one? This is this cube of this one, right? Cube root of x whole cube is x. Cube root of y whole power 3 equals y. So we have something like a cube minus b cube form. A square b, ab square, right? So just that we have cube roots instead of cubes. But handling cubes is convenient for us, right? We have formulas handling cubes. Right. Let us do one small thing. Let us replace this cube root x with some u and cube root y with some v. And let's look at this. Look at this equation in our familiar formats. Right. If we call cube root x as u, then what will x be? Cube root x is u. That means x is u cube. U power 3. If we call cube root y as v, then y becomes v power 3. Basically, this part will become u cube minus v cube. Right? Let us do that way. Now, this is u cube minus v cube. Right? Now, let us take this part. Cube root of x square y. Right. What does that mean? Cube root of x square y is cube root of x square and cube root of y. Cube root of x square into cube root of y. Cube root of x square means cube root of x whole square. Right. Whether you do the square inside or outside, it is still the same. Right. It is still x power 2 by 3 only. So cube root of x whole square to cube root of y. What is cube root of x? We just decided that we'll call cube root of x as u. So this becomes u square and this becomes v u square v. So this part becomes u square v. Similarly, this part becomes cube root of x into cube root of y whole square. That is u v square. Then this equation becomes x is anyway u cube, right? Cube root x is u, then x is u cube. So u cube minus v cube equals 7 by 2 into u square v minus u v square, right? And u minus v, this one will become u minus v equals 3, right? So now it is in very familiar format. A cube minus b cube, a square v, a b square, right? Then obviously we can cancel u minus v from both the sides, right? U minus v is anyway not 0. So we can cancel u minus v from both the sides. What is a cube minus b cube? U cube minus v cube is u minus v into u square plus uv plus v square equals 7 by 2. We can take uv common. Uv times u minus v. Right, we can cancel this u minus v, this u minus v because u minus v is not 0. Now u square plus uv plus v square equals 7 by 2 uv. Right, we have u square plus uv plus v square and we have 7 by 2 uv. Right, and we know u minus v also. So this one is almost close to u minus v whole square. Right, just that instead of uv it was minus 2 uv, we would have made it u minus v whole square. Right, so let us do that. This one let us convert because you have u minus v already. Let us convert this, let us add and subtract minus 2 uv. Right, so that we can make this u minus v whole square because we have u minus v. So let us add and subtract minus 2 uv. This uv will still remain same. So this part will become u minus v whole square and this part will be 3 uv equals 7 by 2 uv. Right, so what does that mean? What is u minus v? U minus v is 3. U minus v whole square is 9. So 9 equals 3. 9 plus 7 by 2 uv. 9 equals 7 by 2 uv. That is 3.5 uv minus 3 uv, which is 0.5 uv. Right. That means what is what? uv equals 9 by 0.5, which is 18. Right. uv is 18. Very good. So we know uv, we know u minus v. That means we know u plus v also. We know we can then calculate u and v also. Right. What is u plus v whole square? U plus v whole square is u minus v whole square is 4uv. Right. So u minus v whole square is 9. Right. And 4uv. uv is 18. 4 eights. Sorry, 4 8 is 72. So 9 plus 72 is 81. Very good. Fantastic. U plus v is then plus or minus 9. Right. Then let's take u plus v equals plus 9 once and u plus v equals minus 9 once. And u minus v is still 3 in both the cases. U plus v is 9, u minus v is 3. U equals 12, u equals 6. Of course, v equals 3. And u plus v is minus 9, u minus v is 3. That means u is minus 6, u equals minus 3. V equals minus 6. Right. And what is our u? U is cube root x. If u is 6, what is x? X equals 6 cube, which is 216. Y is what? V is cube root y. Right. So v is 3, then y is what? 3 cube, which is 27. So this is one solution. What is the other solution? If u is minus 3, then x is minus 3 cube minus 27. V is minus 6, y is minus 6 whole cube, which is minus 216. Right, guys? We have two solutions. Simple problem. Only thing, critical thing or tricky thing here is to identify this cube and convert this into this cube root and convert this into cubes and extract this a square b and exploit this a square b ab square opportunity here. Right, guys? Thank you. Hope you like this. Thank you.